Yo, I be optimistic, but these times be rough. I know I'm working 9 to 5, that just ain't enough. See, I got mouths to feed and these bills be tough. Reservoir just wanna glow like a beach shown up. Not shine by materials, by divine rap material. Tracks blow up like the Death Star and Imperials. Times is critical and reaching every individual. Old, young, rich, poor, happy and the miserable. Kinda miss being a kid, energetic, no worries. Saturday cartoons, eating cereal, no hurry. Nowadays life's a flurry of debt and stress. Even when I go to sleep, I can hardly get rest. My chest kinda tense. See, I got a lot riding, trying to do the right thing. So I'm audio grinding, out to make moves in the game, not for blinding. This real shit that I say got fake and straight eyeing. Why does it feel like the world be going against you? We got money hungry cats, the evil that men do. Our country's currently reaching for that currency, reaching urgently, bills versus status emergency. Why does it feel like the world be going against you? We got money hungry cats, the evil that men do. Our country's currently reaching for that currency, reaching urgently, bills versus status emergency. It's getting harder every day, cost of living gets risen. The poor get more stressed, the rich are good riddance. You know what they say, shit rolls downhill. Corrupt powers keep us others down at their will. Rich elites stay to self like the boy in the bubble, and hopes you fuck up and get caught in some trouble. Can find your ass on the double, it's a vicious cycle. Hood life be enough to make some people go psycho. We eating ramen, mac and cheese, here it goes. Squeeze electric bills late, got you begging, always asking please. I got seeds in the house that need heat and lights. They be like, fuck you, but they do that shit polite. Our wages stay the same, but prices keep rising. So we work several jobs till we be dying, wearing down your frame, just another name. The CEOs don't care, it's a damn shame. Why does it feel like the world be going against you? We got money hungry cats, the evil that men do. Our country's currently reaching for that currency, reaching urgently, bills versus status emergency. Why does it feel like the world be going against you? We got money hungry cats, the evil that men do. Our country's currently reaching for that currency, reaching urgently, bills versus status emergency. Bills versus status emergency, the poor versus rich currency. Some people spend what houses cost on surgery, while hearing this track bang it happens currently. People pull burglaries for a fraction of that. Some don't have a bad heart, it's just where they're at. Bummy pockets, fams, hungry nose, runny clothes, grungy. Bill Gates could wipe his ass with an ass load of money, but shit ain't funny. I'm speaking on the truth. Take a drive round town, you can witness the proof. And from the booth, I let the world know it flows. The struggle march to the drum like it has some toes. I know this ain't a club joint, but I got a voice. I chose this over bragging about a rental Rolls Royce. My label stacks chips, I'm giving it back. Create programs for the youth, that's actual fact. Why does it feel like the world be going against you? We got money hungry cats, the evil that men do. Our country's currently reaching for that currency, reaching urgently, bills versus status emergency. Why does it feel like the world be going against you? We got